Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. This is Lynn Toomey, and tonight we're going to make red bean jelly mix, Oriental dessert mix. Right here, I got this at the Asian store. It's going to be fantastic. Just wait and see. Alright, so first you put water, hot water in the saucepan, and then you put the mix in. Has to be boiling water, and then you stir it. Oops, sorry, I didn't aim right. First cooking video. It's gonna be delicious. So in the instructions it say 2 cups of water, so don't put too much and don't put too little, and I'm currently stirring it. And then let it simmer, and I will put it in a bowl. I'm going to divide by 3 bowls because a meal tastes better when you share it with other people. Alright you guys, I served them in 3 bowls. I mean, it's called red bean ice cream, but it looks kind of brown, don't you guys think? Oh wow, I'm sure it will taste delicious. What do you think, Mommy? Are you going to approve of this dessert? We'll see, right? We'll see.
We'll see, but I think it will be delicious. It looks good though. Can you turn on the light over there?
Okay, let's turn on the light. Maybe it's not as
Yes,
bright as I think. Alright, so she's turning on the girl. Ooh, okay. So red bean
I'm gonna get let's chill in the fridge for
yeah,
a
we're
while.
gonna get chill, and then I will tape the final result for you guys. But it literally took me, I swear, maybe 3 minutes to make this. So super easy. I believe you can get this at the Asian grocery store in your state. Let me know if you guys try it. Leave me a comment below. But hold on, I will show you the final result. Okay. All right, you guys, it's time to eat. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Look at this. It has hardened, and we're going to dig it. La 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 la. Okay, which one is the biggest one? And I'm gonna take that one. Okay, I can't film this. We are struggle filming while cooking and eating. So, all right, come here, come to my mouth. Oh, chef's kiss. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the below if you tried this recipe. Well, it wasn't really a recipe, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.